Alpha Mind Power online live classes by Sri Mata Vijay Lakshmi Pandayan. Mobile app Alpha Mind Power.
Soulmate class now we concluded here, but I will wait for your feedback one by one. You can switch on your audio video and please give your name and from where you're speaking, and then let me know how you felt during that class.
Namaste Guruji.
Namaste.
Mridula Narayanan from Chennai. Tanjavur, I have attended the Lakshya Siddhi class from my Tanjavur place, locality. My mother was practicing few years. She is also an Alpha Siddha. Then I really felt very happy in this session. That is what is the reason for my happiness is I was able to find the reason. What is the blockage? Initially, I was not able to find my blockage. How to overcome the difficulties between myself and my husband. There is always a clash. That is a thought is different for everyone. I generally understand. But what happens here, I really understood from the meditation. From that level, after the chakra meditation and raising to the soul level, that was really amazing. I was really, even now I'm getting vibrations and the goosebumps while telling you. Even I am now I'm getting speechy. Sorry about that. So that much it gave such a feeling today. I'm always committed to the relationship. There is no thing like big issue and all. Whatever we understand nature, but there is always a question: why this is happening? Why this is happening? That the answer for that question I got today.
Very good, very good. I'm so happy to hear this.
I'm really thankful. I'm really thankful to you, ma'am, Guruji. Bless me and
definitely, Mridula, and I bless you with a very happy, peaceful life. Definitely. All the best.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm Dr. Parimala, ma'am. I'm calling from Annanagar, Chennai.
Yes, yes.
How are you doing, ma'am?
Fine, I'm excellent. Tell me, how are you?
The class was excellent, ma'am. I had that realization today. I usually do adjust and even my husband adjusts. But today, going through the meditation, I really felt the meaning. I could understand it. And we both were swaying. We were almost dancing. And through the meditation, I felt both of our souls were just hanging up and they were dancing together.
Okay,
it was
wonderful.
a wonderful experience, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Very good, very good. I'm so happy to see Ashok again after a long time. Wonderful. Very nice, very nice. Wish you all the very best and a very happy married life.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.
Guruji, I am Dr. Ruvantika.
Yes. Where are you speaking from?
Actually, I'm from Chennai, ma'am.
Okay.
Chennai, Guruji.
Okay, carry
on. Actually, quite 10 years back, I think once in a way I saw your video. You were talking about that alpha. I didn't know what was alpha meditation. I just got that word of alpha meditation, and actually I'm a physiologist. You were talking about the left brain being more negative and thinking of the brain, and how do we cut off when we get negative thoughts. So that point somewhere in my brain, it has went inside. And every time when I'm talking with my students, I used to talk about that. Usually students have that negative attitude, whether they will get only a pass and go through. So that is this alpha meditation has been for a long time since within me. And now in between, I was seeing many of your videos. And really, that's God's gift. I think somewhere I got this soulmate, and immediately I booked for that. But even I have not gone through the basics of alpha meditation. Somewhere I got, is this a higher level of meditation, or I have to go through the lower alpha meditation? I was searching, immediately I got one. Then again, I booked for that, and this day morning only I finished that basics of alpha meditation.
Okay.
Madam, it's really a wonderful experience with you. The way you explain with each and every example, it is really as if we are going through our life once again. It is something couldn't explain at all. You giving each and every example, even at that particular second, you explain so beautifully. It is just running like a water. That itself is taking us quite long back to many years, I think. And the meditation is really, I've been doing this meditation, madam, for after I saw these videos, I've been doing your meditation, seeing your YouTube, this Panam positivity, all those things I keep on doing because I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I do all your, with your videos I've been doing. I think it's really God's gift, I think. Again, I've entered into the word of alpha meditation. I think that is a soul connection for me with you, madam.
Yes,
That is
definitely.
that is really
Very nice. Very
thank
nice
you
to
so
hear
much.
you. Thank you so much for being with
Thank you
us
so
and wish
much.
you a very
Madam,
happy life.
your blessings are needed, ma'am.
Definitely my blessings. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, madam.
Good evening,
This is
Guruji.
Lakshmi.
Tirumahal from Bangalore, Guruji.
Yes, Tirumagal.
This class is literally I was looking into it, Guruji. I have a son who is going through the divorce, and whatever the fear you are telling, he is going through all those fears. Even as parents, we are also going through all those fears. But I feel I am enjoying my life with a husband like that. I need to get a good daughter-in-law into our house. So I feel with this meditation, not only with my husband, with my children also, they'll be able to get a good soulmate into our family. The very great souls who are getting satisfied with my son and the daughter-in-law into this house, and for my daughter, son-in-law into this house. So I feel that I will be able to attract good souls into our family.
Excellent.
I have that great confidence in after attending this class. I have attended all your classes, and you know my case also, my bipolar thing, how I come out of it. And both of my children, they have gone through alpha music therapy with you, and my daughter, she has done her online counseling with you, and now she's doing her psychology course, and very great, and she has got full GPA there, and she was very much, she's entering into her dean list in the first semester.
Very good,
as
very
you
good.
told, she's doing really well, and I really wanted your blessings, Guruji.
Definitely my blessings to you and your family. As you rightly said, your daughter-in-law can be your soulmate. So attract a good soulmate as daughter-in-law. Life will become very good. Very good. That is the perception. That is what we
entire
need
family is going through so much of a difficulty, this difficult period. I really thank you for having given this class, Guruji. Thank you so much.
Blessings.
you.
All the best. All the best. Thanks.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah. Manije, yes.
Pranam, Guruji.
Yes, namaskar.
Namaskar. Ashok Belor, he's your long-time student. He's introduced me to your course, and this is my very first session. Today, it was different. I can't explain. I'm in a lot of pain, personal pain, because of my relationship. That's why I'm here. I can't put my finger on it, but it's just a very powerful feeling of just joy. Just joy, no matter what. It's just joy, which is actually, I think, our essence, right? So I just maybe tapped into that today. So I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.
Very good, very good. I'm so happy that you could identify that thought, that perception. As a soul, you deserve to be happy, no matter what. Hold on to that.
Thank you.
Okay? My blessings. All the best.
Thank you. And thank you, Ashok.
Guruji. Namaskaram, Guruji. This is
Namaskaram. Yes.
Yeah, I'm so fortunate to attend this session, Guruji, because I feel is that the entire course was designed in subconscious the soul conscious level, I feel,
Yes.
because before coming to the session, I was in mind or body conscious level and I couldn't understand the contents of the program. Then I saw the feedback of the same program which was given in Tamil, and I enrolled for it. But after coming here only, I came to know that, okay, it is something different and I have to raise my vibrations to subconscious level. And it was very, very useful. The meditation was very helpful. And even the chakra cleansing, I could feel the vibrations. And one more point I would like to say here is that I was taking Alpha Mind Power very seriously for the last 10 days because I was COVID positive in the last week of April.
Oh, okay.
Fortunately, I got recovered. And so I took it very seriously and I was doing these meditations, whatever you post in the Alpha Mind Power group. And after following those, doing those meditations in the morning and night, I'm feeling so healthy, and I feel that my immunity got increased, and moreover, so many positive vibrations inside the house, and there was total peace and harmony inside the house. So I could feel that in the last 10 days. So thank you so much, Guruji. And this session was very excellent and it was very, very useful for me. And the affirmations were very, very inspiring. So thank you so much for the session.
Okay, thank you very much. My blessings to you. And those affirmations as a track will be enabled in your mobile app tonight. And since this class is in English, generally they will enable in English. If anybody wants it in Tamil, you can just mention it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, only those who want it in Tamil, others need not write anything. They will enable in English for the others. Okay.
I am Sumati from Singapore.
Yes.
Yeah, I am used to see your video for positivity.
Okay.
Today only I'm attending first time.
Okay.
Actually, no words to express my feeling. really enjoyed the session. Now I understand the power within me during the meditation. I
Correct.
really understand that I have some power, so I can heal myself.
Yes.
Every time the question coming, why this happening? Now I hope that it won't come again. I want to learn the alpha meditation also.
Yeah. When our basic class comes, you can attend. But before that, in the mobile app, there is an introduction class for alpha. You can attend that, and start practicing till the basic class actually comes up. Then you can attend the full class.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All the best and my blessings. Yes.
Thank you.
Guruji, namaskaram. Sunita
Namaskaram, Sunita. How are you?
here. Oh, doing fine, Guruji. How are you?
Excellent. Tell me.
Guruji, your all sections are making me so powerful, so empowered. But this section, I'm total joy. My God, what a bliss, Guruji. In happiness. Unbelievable happiness.
Very good.
That's
Very
my
good.
soul.
Very good. I'm so happy to hear that. My blessings. My blessings. All the best. Okay. Right.
Hello, ma'am. This is Ashwini. Actually, my video is not working. So,
Okay. It's okay. Yeah.
I know there's some issue with my laptop camera. So
Okay,
my
no
mom, she follows your alpha meditation, and she has been telling me that maybe I should do it because I was treated under antidepressant and anti-anxiety tablets and everything. So that was past, but then it has given me a lot of fear in trying to find another person to get married or anything. And she has been forcing me to get married, and I'm currently 31 years. And I never felt that I wanted to get married because of various past issues and everything, and family issues also. So I was not sure if I can find the right person, or I was doubtful of myself. And recently I met a person, but it seems that that person is quite confused still as to if they can give the commitment, as to what you were telling, that even boys have that issue of giving commitment.
Yes.
And although it took me 5 to 6 years to come to the state of accepting someone that I can probably let them in my life, but then even this afternoon I was very upset because that the other person is confused and I am clear. When I'm clear, again, we are not on the same page. So that is why my mom, she enrolled me to this, and I felt the first meditation was really mind blowing because I had my tears in it, because I like Lord Krishna and Lord Ram a lot.
Okay.
So it kind of gives me this butterfly in the stomach, the moment I see them itself. It gives me an overwhelming joy. And this second one was the chakra healing. It gave me a lot of vibration. I could feel that I used to do meditation in between because I thought it will help my depression to clear and keep my mind calm. But then I do break down in betweens. I keep breaking down for some small reasons also. I just get too sensitive. So your affirmations, for two of them together, I was not sure what kind of affirmations I should keep when I'm doing meditation. I have only kept like they are solely attracted to me, or things like that, which are very common. But I didn't know that there can be affirmations which can be kept for both of them together, which was very enlightening to me. And even when I was in the alpha stage, I could visualize both of us together. In the first day we had a picture taken, and I had the visualization of that picture
Very good.
very clearly, and I was really surprised. But my mom was telling that she was also sitting with me and doing this for me. So she said, maybe this will give you a better vision. So she said, no need to worry about anything. And once these affirmations keep working, I'm hoping that this will work more.
Definitely. Definitely, Ashwini. My blessings to you for a very happy life.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening. Where's your video, Samyukta?
I couldn't enable it actually. I don't know.
What happened?
I feel so happy today attending the workshop actually. I'm so excited whenever there is an announcement for soulmate meditation.
Okay.
So I'm really excited and that vibration is well felt when chanting the Om mantra.
Okay.
I could feel the real good vibration inside me, and so blissful and so I could feel much energy.
Very good, excellent.
The chakra activation also, I could feel the energy, and I felt so blissful, ecstatic, and joyful. And I danced as if me being as Radha along with Krishna. Visualizing that way. I danced to the music played at the end, and it was so joyful and blissful. It's
very good, excellent. I'm so happy that you enjoyed.
Thank you so
really
much
happy.
for everything. Thank you so much.
Okay, all the best. Blessings.
Good evening, Guruji.
Good evening.
I'm Chitra Ramesh.
Yes, Chitra.
It was a very out of the world experience. And today only I found that even silence, with silence I can work on my soulmate. That I felt today immensely. Usually we used to give some affirmations or something, subconscious mind speaking, everything I have tried. And today I felt that only silence, even with silence I can experience more amount of soulmate connection.
Yes, definitely.
I enjoyed the meditation with my family, whole of my family, with my
very good, excellent, very good. All the best. My blessings.
Very blissful experience. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, thank you so much.
It was really wonderful having listening to the music, and I felt and I was able to identify a couple of blockages inside me. My relationship now is good, but it could be better, I could say. But one thing I want to ask Guruji is like I was able to connect with my spouse, like in the mind. I will be thinking of something. We'll be sitting together and if I'll be thinking of something, and she would be talking about the same particular matter, or like I would be cherishing her, like she would be dressed in that the chudidar today, and she clearly picks up that one. Or like few other incidents also happen. Like I'll be thinking something, and she would completely on the same page. So
That's very good. Very good.
But I read somewhere that if both husband and wife are living under the same roof for so many years, their thoughts would be aligned, and so that. But we were living close to like we were married for like some 8 years, but this is happening. So I want to know: is this happening? Will be happening this with everybody, or is this happening?
Not with everybody. See, when you're on the same wavelength, and there is a good understanding, then you easily pick up, the thoughts of the other person. And see, it is like this. Now, sometimes you know a very old cinema song, let us say, somewhere very faintly, somebody may be playing it, you will start singing.
Yeah.
Without realizing, because you just pick it up very easily because it's already there in your mind. So that way, when the people are living under the same roof and the same wavelength, when there's a good understanding, then very easily you will pick up the thoughts.
Thank you, Guruji. But really, I need your blessings, Guruji.
My blessings for a very happy life.
Thank you, Guruji. Thanks.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
I'm Lakshmi from Bangalore.
Yes, Lakshmi. Yes. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm so happy to see you again, and so happy that this soulmate meditation has come in right time for me also.
Okay.
Like last few maybe a month so, I was visualizing about our relationship and the family atmosphere, and I've been meditating for the betterment of our relationship in the family. And I was again getting some inputs from my children also. They're 30 plus, 30 and around 26 like that. So they are also on the verge of settling the relationship like that. So I was meditating for them in this time of my meditating for my whole family. This soulmate meditation has come in very hands for my family.
Very good, very good.
Same, though there is little bit of misunderstanding between me and my husband, so everything is working on a better lines now. Still, whatever I visualized, it is coming into picture now. And the soulmate meditation, I feel profound joy in that. So I got the same happiness when I got married. Even this meditation now, I'm so happy.
Very good. Excellent.
Certain things I'll write to you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Blessings.
Guruji, can I share something?
Yes, Jyoti.
Yeah, hi. Pranam, Guruji. Every time when I attend your classes, I think that it brings a different perspective on our thought level process, being it a soulmate or any other class. So that is really like amazing for me. And it really helps, I think, each one of us to face the things in our life and to make ourselves much at peace. And then we will reach to a higher level of vibration where we can able to solve many things, and we will be able to help near and dear ones in our lives. That's really I think commendable. Lots of blessings to you.
Thank you so much for saying that, and my blessings to you for a very happy life.
Thank you.
Yeah, anyone who wants to write an email to me, you can write guruji@alphamindpower.net. We will post that email ID in the WhatsApp group. The group will be there till Monday or maybe till Sunday evening. So I'll post it there. You can write an email to me also. Yeah.
Guruji, namaste.
Namaste.
I'm Ekta from Salem. And
Yes.
First of all, whenever I do your meditations, I realize that how calming and sweet your voice is. So, that is very nice. So let me compliment you on that.
Thank you so much.
And I've been trying to, find the correct or right partner from a long time. So this meditation was handy. And hopefully, how many times in a week should we do this?
See, the affirmations will be the track we'll be sending you. You can listen to it, say, twice or thrice in a week. No need to listen to it every day. See, that much you don't have to become anxious. See, this class itself will create a shift in your perception anyway. That is the main thing. And then you listen to those affirmations once in a way. And visualize that you're living a happy life. That is what is required. Okay. All the best and my blessings to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. I think we are coming to the end of the program. So I thank each and everyone here for being here today. It was a wonderful class. I really enjoyed the class very much. So I really hope it makes a difference in your lives, in your perception, in your relationship. And I wish each and every one of you from today will live with the soul consciousness level. From that level, everything is much easier, much better. Life becomes more beautiful. So start enjoying life, make it good for yourself and make it good for others as well. So my blessings to each and every one of you for a very happy life. Thank you so much.